Usatheka inyembezi umndeni lona ucabanga ngesehlakalwesi. Abantu ebebasemngcwabeni nakhe bezwe ukuthi abantwana sebanevalo kangangani ukudlala ngaphandle emakhabo. Ngombana basathuswe ngile ndaba yokuthi umntwana lo inja imeqele angakwabo. Yamrathurathula yambulala. Kuvele neyokuthi abomakhelwane bangosukuthuselana.
If you respect other people, if you take their advices, if you listen to their cries, you are a good neighbor. But if you disrespect other neighbors, you are not a good neighbor.
Umndeni angekhe ukhohlwe ngesehlakalwesi.
It's a pity that it had to happen to you, It's a pity that it had to happen to you. But I think Mudimo wanted us to look at each and every one of us. Look at ourselves, do some introspection, and believe and understand that life is too short.
Umasipalata weMangaung uyelelise ngokuthi uqinisa imithetho yakhe emalungana nezinja. Ukusukela ngomnyaka ozako akusukuba lula ukufuya inja ungana permit.
How do you own a dog when you are not even trained? How do you own a dog when you are not even paying a license for it to keep it? So that you have the guidelines of our bylaws on how you should behave with that dog of yours. As from January, nobody will own a dog without a license.
Besikolo umntwana obhubhileko ebekafunda kiso. Nabo badane khulu ngombana ufumene isitifiketi sakhe sokusebenza kuhle ngelanga elingemva kwebanga matlhuole.